I'm Chef Bill Kim, owner of Urbanbelly. We are here implementing PreciTaste Prep Assistant. Our story of Urbanbelly started 15 years ago in a little strip mall outside of downtown Chicago. The idea was to have temple of dining that was very casual, accessible, flavorful, and affordable to the general public. It's been 2 months since we have the prep assistant in our kitchen. Automation of prep has helped us to be more efficient. As a chef, it gives me more time to be more creative and also provide better customer service. So the prep assistant is very easy for our crew to navigate and open the restaurant without a manager here, knowing their tasks are assigned. The repetitive tasks that's been done for years is pretty much eliminated by using AI technology to help us to do the mundane, monotonous work of tracking, data collecting. Really helps us to speed up things at seconds, not moments, not minutes, seconds. We know historical data is also data that we try to implement every single day is done almost automatically. It's almost like a miracle because now no more paper, no more checking off a list. To actually do a lot of tapping and also seeing the bigger picture of what the revenue is, how much to prep, finish tasks. You could also do it remotely, which is a game changer for me because I could be at a different restaurant, see the progress without me physically being in the building has changed so many things about how I work and how a lot of the managers work. It takes a lot of guessing work out of what you're doing with food. Having the prep assistant, you feel very confident about what to prep, how much to prep, how much to purchase. Our business is about food, but it's also about people, it's also about data. The dashboard really gives you a snapshot how your operation is operating. Don't be a late adopter, be early and be able to navigate it because it's coming. People think it's the future, but it's now.